We are no longer safe in this place. We are no longer safe. See what happened.
Jeg står i et stort, ufærdigbygget hus, hvor en masse af de mennesker, der blev hjemløse efter ulykken, der skete mandag morgen, er flyttet ind.
It's kind of this waiting hall where a lot of people, a lot of different voices can meet, also in the more random coincidences.
Du sagde lige til mig, at du kunne se, at der var sket noget på de her billeder. Og så blev jeg lidt rørt, fordi at da vi fik taget de andre billeder, der var vi ikke engang lanceret endnu.
Can we go outside and look at the bamboo pillars? Because they have a very special shape, almost like the Japanese origami.
Yeah, if you feel Japanese influence, then you're totally right.
Stay, at least until the sun goes down. When you're gone, all will stay.